Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about protect and unprotect the structure of workbooks. Let's get started. You can protect the structure of the workbook to stop others from add, delete, rename, move, hide the worksheets, or view the hidden worksheets. To do that, click on the Review tab. Then click on Protect Workbook. The Protect Structure and Windows pop-up window will appear. Make sure there is a tick beside the structure. Type the password. And then click OK. The Confirm Password pop-up window will appear. Retype the password. And then click OK. And now the structure of the workbook is protected. When you right-click on the Worksheet tab, then a pop-up menu will appear and you will see some of the items are deactivated. Don't forget to click Save before close the Excel. Now, I will move on to talk about Unprotect the structure of the workbook. Click on Protect Workbook. The Unprotect Workbook pop-up window will appear. Type the correct password. And then click OK. Now, the structure of the workbook is unprotected. When you right-click on the Worksheet tab, a pop-up menu will appear and you will see all the items are activated. Don't forget to click Save before close the Excel. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.